Hi everyone, welcome to my nookery. My name is Linda and today we are going to pick the winner of the surprise sock yarn giveaway. So just to refresh your memory, you're going to get 2 skeins of Peyton's Yarn Inspirations Cray socks. And this colourway is Magic Stripes, so you get 2 of them and you'll get a pair of socks out of them. You'll get a box of stitch markers and you will get a packet of cable needles and a 2.5 9-inch circular needle. So without further ado guys, let's go over to the computer and pick the lucky winner. This is the video and I'm just going to copy the URL, go to the random org, let me just stop that, then copy and paste into here, paste, filter for duplicate user, and the word was sock. And we will do the question, give the answer to the question, and let's get the comments. 151 comments guys, wow, thank you all so much. So without further ado guys, let's pick the winner. Good luck everybody. Irene Tashur, sock. My mother-in-law loves to make socks, so I hope I win for her. Thank you. Well, Irene, I just need to check that you're a subscriber to my channel, so bear with me guys. And as you know, I don't show, so I'm just going to stop you here. So there I am guys, she's definitely a subscriber to my channel. So congratulations Irene Tashur. Congratulations Irene Tashur. I hope that I got your name right. I'm sorry if I was not very good at saying your surname, but congratulations sweetie. If you will email me at this address with your home address so I can get it sent out to you. Thank you to each and every one of you who actually commented, and guys keep a lookout because there's going to be another one next month. And it's only going to run for 1 week, so keep a lookout guys. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly guys, as I always say, be kind to you, and until the next video, bye bye for now.